Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the location of any Instagram account. So in order to do this, all you need is the Instagram app, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on the magnifying glass at the bottom of our screen just like this, because we of course need to find an account to find the location for. So I'm going to have two examples for you guys today. I'm going to do the location of KSI and the location of Logan Paul. So with KSI, all you need to do is you, for example, open the account you want to find the location for. And if they have a business account, sometimes they will have the exact location in their bio. However, most of the time this is not the case. And what you then can do is simply go to the top right corner of your screen here at the three dots. And what you can do is you can click on about this account, and you can see exactly here account based in, and then you can see that this account is based in the United Kingdom, and that's how you can see the location of this account. Then if we do it, for example, by Logan Paul, and we then go to the top right corner of our screen about this account, then we can see that this account is actually based in Puerto Rico. So that's how you can find the location of any Instagram account. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.